Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a young boy named Sam. He was struggling in school and often received low marks in exams. This made him feel very unhappy, and his self-confidence was at an all-time low. One day, Sam's friend told him about a wise Zen monk who was staying near their town. The friend suggested that Sam go and seek the monk's guidance to improve his situation. With hope in his heart, Sam decided to visit the monk the next morning. When Sam arrived at the place where the Zen monk was meditating, he quietly sat down and waited for the monk to finish his meditation. After some time, the monk opened his eyes and smiled at Sam. The monk said, "Young man, the first thing you must do is stop considering yourself unworthy just because others judge you. Our minds are powerful, and we become what we believe. If you think you are unworthy, you will become unworthy. But if you believe in your worth, you will achieve great things." Sam nodded, feeling a glimmer of hope. "But how can I improve my focus and study better?" he asked. The monk continued, "To increase your focus, start meditating. Focus your attention on your breath during meditation. It will sharpen your concentration. You can also try a countdown technique. Inhale, counting to 50 in your mind, then exhale, counting down to 49, and so on. This will enhance your focus." Sam listened intently and said, "What else can I do?" The monk went on, "Discipline yourself. Set a daily schedule that includes fixed eating, sleeping, and studying times. When you establish a routine, your mind will prepare itself for studying at that specific time." Sam thought about it and said, "I will give it a try." The monk continued, "Always be present and alert in your classroom. Learning starts there. If you don't understand something, don't hesitate to ask your teacher." Sam felt encouraged and asked, "What about my physical and mental health?" The monk advised, "Take care of your health with a balanced diet and exercise. Include nuts and herbs like brahmi in your diet to boost your brain power. Exercise for at least 30 minutes daily to stay physically fit." Sam nodded, absorbing the wisdom. "How can I minimize distractions?" The monk advised, "Choose a quiet, distraction-free place to study. Keep your phone on silent, and avoid studying on your bed to prevent drowsiness. Take short breaks to refresh your mind." Finally, the monk concluded, "Make short notes while studying. They help in retention. Follow these tips, and you will not only excel in your studies, but also in life." With renewed determination, Sam thanked the monk and left. He began implementing the monk's advice in his life, one step at a time. And over time, Sam saw remarkable improvements in his studies, his confidence, and his overall well-being.